Easter is fast approaching. Secure your Easter flyer now and save yourself the last minute stress. Link to purchase will be in the description below. Welcome back to Doorway to Graphic Design. I warmly welcome each and every one of you to the channel. In today's tutorial, we will be designing this Good Friday Easter flyer design in Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. As usual, we'll go with 2000 by 2500 pixels. Resolution to 7 to reduce the size of the file. You leave it to 300 if you print in the future. Color mode RGB for screen, background height, then you hit create. So we'll start with our background. We'll go to the resources. We'll bring this color, then place it here. So let's come to the background here. We come to this side, solid color. Then we pick this one. So you hit OK. Now let's go back to our resources again. We will pick this image here. Then we scale it up somewhere here. So we will change the blend mode to darker color like this. Now let's reduce the opacity. So reduce the opacity to 22. So we get something like this within the background. Now we add a layer mask to it. Then we go to the gradient here. So go to this side. On the basis, make sure it's in the middle. You hit OK. Then you come somewhere here. You drag, you click, you drag, then you leave it like this. So you can see this is it. You can see it over there. Okay, so now we go back to our resources again. Then we bring this one. So we bring it somewhere here. Then we change the blend mode to screen. So we change it to screen. We add a layer mask. Then we brush this side off. So we brush this side off. Then we brush this side to off. Okay, so let's scale it up a bit. Okay, so this is okay. Now we duplicate it, Ctrl J. Then we bring this one to this side. So let's close this one. You bring this one, you scale it up like this. So it should be somewhere here. It's okay. Alright, so now we bring this image here. So we bring it somewhere here. Then we change the blend mode to screen. So we change it to screen. Then we add a layer mask. Then we brush the sharp edges off like this. Okay, so now let's duplicate this same cross. So we come to the first one, then we scale it up. So after scaling it up, so bring this side here, and on the layer mask here, clear this side like this. Now you have to go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, then blur it out like this. So this time around, change the screen to overlay. So after doing that, you can reduce the opacity. So you can see a source of light here coming from this side. Now let's come back to this side, add a new layer. We come to the foreground here, then we pick a color from this side. So we increase the size of our brush here. then we hit on it like this, so you get something like this. So you see, this is the before and this is the after. Now we come to this side, then we go to our resources. Let's bring our images here, so we place them somewhere here. So let's group the background. You select this one, you come to this side, you hold shift to select this one, control Gen to group, then you name it background. So now let's move to the main theme, Good Friday service. So we go to our text tool here, then we type good. So we will delete these 2 zeros here, sorry, 2 O's. Then we leave a space between the J and the D. Control A, select the canvas. Then you come here, align horizontal center. So we come to our resources, then we bring this icon here. So this icon is representing the 2 O's. This is the icon of the tomb. So we change the color to white. Then, so let's bring our guide here. So you make sure it's in line with the J and D. So now select the icon of the tomb and the J and D. Control J to group. Control A, select the canvas, then you make sure you align horizontal center. Okay, so now we go to our rectangle tool, then we create this shape here. So we bring it to somewhere here. So now come and select these 2. Wait, we have a black stroke here, so let's come here. It should be at 0. The stroke should be at 0. So you come and select these 2. You hold shift, then stretch. Hold shift, then stretch it. Make sure it's in line with this shape here. Good. So Control A, select the canvas, then align horizontal center. So let's bring this one. Now on this shape, we go to the blending options, then we go to the gradient. So we come to this side, you come here, so you pick this color here, then the second one too, you pick this color here. So we go to our text tool, so you have it here, Friday service. Now hold Control to select this shape, then you come here, then you align horizontal center, then you come to this side too, and you align it within, you make sure it's centered inside the shape. So now let's add this one to the group of the main theme. So this is it. Now let's bring this one should be at this side, then the main theme, bring it on top of the pastors, then scale it up like this. So we come to our resources, then let's bring our logo somewhere here, then we bring our down text here. So it should be somewhere here, like this. So we are almost done. Let's come to this one and reduce the size a bit. So somewhere here is okay. So the last thing is we will add noise to it. So we add a new layer. We go to fill. We make sure it's at 50% gray. Opacity 100. You hit OK. You come to filter. You come to noise. Add noise. Gaussian monochromatic. Then the amount should be about 11. Then you change the blend mode to overlay. So I forgot one thing. We'll bring this one here, somewhere here. Then we'll change the color. So pick a color from this side, then we come to this side. So Ctrl J to duplicate, then you bring it to this side. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.